Hello student, Miss Ace here. This video is for Math 1 students. Today is Friday, October 13, 2023. Today I'm going to walk you through Quizzette 5 and then you're going to do calendar project part 2. So I didn't assign a lot of assignments, only Quizzette and this project. So please spend your time wisely, try to get the project done as soon as possible. Of course, I don't expect you to get it done in this period, but at least you will be like 80 or 90% done on this project. Okay, for the equation, of course, we're going to go over almost all the equations, so you should get the calendar done. For the decoration, you may need more time, yes. Alright, Quizzette 5. So after this Quizzette, you're going to turn in your Quizzette. Number 1, so parenthesis, to solve for the equation with parenthesis, what we're going to do is distribute 4 into parenthesis. So 4b minus 8 equal to, distribute 2 into parenthesis, so 10 minus 2b. Then we have the variable to both sides, so you need to bring them to the same side. We will do it add 2b to both sides. 4b plus 2b is 6b minus 8 equal to 10. Then continue isolate the b. You're going to add 8 to both sides. That will be 6b equal to 18. And continue solving for b. You divide 6 to both sides, so b equal to 3. Yes, b equal to 3. That's it. Alright, number 2, solving and graph the solution set. So you have absolute value of 2y minus 5 equals to 9. So since it's absolute value, there's two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, okay, absolute value stand for distance, which there's two numbers that have the same distance to a certain number. And for the convenience, we normally say that there's two numbers have the same distance from 0. So in this case, is absolute value stand for any numbers away from a certain number. So we're going to have 2y minus 5 equal to 9 and 2y minus 5 equal to negative 9. Okay, solving for y, we're going to add 5 to both sides. That will be 2y equal to 14 and divide by 2 to both sides. Y equal to 7 is the answer for case 1. Case 2, similar like case 1, we're going to add 5 to both sides. Negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. And bring down 2y. We divide 2 to both sides, so y equal to negative 2. Okay, so to graph a solution set, basically you have two numbers. Okay, so you have two solutions. Between negative 2 and 7, negative 2 go first and 7 go second. So that will be it. Your answer is negative 2 and 7. Number 3. So to solve for the variable, you have variable to both sides. So you need to bring one of them to the other side. So you're going to add 2y to both sides. That will give you 6y minus 10 equal to, greater than 14. And continue solving for y. We're going to add 10 to both sides. 6y equal to, greater than 24. So we're going to divide by 6 to both sides. So y greater than 4 as the answer. Yes. Alright, number 4, last one. Choose the value for a and b, so to make the equation had no solution. So first we're going to distribute 2 into parentheses. So 2x plus 4 plus 9 equal to ax plus b. Okay, then we can do combining like term. 4 plus 5 is 9. bring down the 2x. 2x plus 9 equal to 8x plus b. So we want no solution. So a, we have to choose a value for a and a value for b. A has to be 2 so that x will cancel each other out. So if a is 2x and b have to be any number but 9, let's say I choose 1. Okay, so the other side you have 2x plus 9 equal to 2x plus 1. So if you solve for x, you're going to subtract 2x to both sides to get the variable to the same side. That will cross out the 2x. You end up with 9 equal to 1. 9 is not equal to 1. It's a false statement, therefore no solution. Alright, so for this case, you want to choose A, has the same number as the coefficient of x, so that all x's will cancel each other out. And for no solution, you want B, any number but 9. If B equal to 9, then you end up with 9 equal to 9. A true statement is many solution. Okay, in this case, they ask you for no solution, so any number but 9. Alright, so that's it for the Quizzette. Please, when you're ready, turn it in, put it in the basket. And we're going to meet each other on the next video for the calendar projects part 2, which is the last part of this calendar project. Please watch the video. If you didn't finish the first 20 questions, go back to the last video. It should be the set of video below this one. If you're ready, you get all 20 of them done, then go ahead and move on to number 20 through 31. On your scratch paper, you don't have number 31 because I assume by 30 times you doing this, you should know how to do 31. You can do it on a scratch paper, a post-it note. It doesn't matter because your final work going to be on the actual calendar. And last remind, when you draw a pictures or when you do the decoration on your calendar, my recommendation is do the decoration first. Do all the drawing, other color, and then you're going to write the equation on top of that after everything done. Okay, so you still can do the work on the scratch paper, but do not copy it on the real calendar until you actually finish drawing. The second thing is I did leave behind some extra calendar that you can start over if you need to start over. The tip that I talk to you in class, that you can look up the picture that you like, any anime character, anything that you like. It doesn't have to be Halloween. As Halloween is good, it don't have to. So you choose your picture and then copy that picture, put it in the Google slide. From that, you hit present so you can trace all the line. Put your paper on top of the screen and trace all the lines. Okay. Make sure you tape your paper so it's not going to move. Okay. As my experience, Aaron, Davida, and also Ryan already kind of finished their part of drawing. If you have any questions, you can ask them. They can help you out. Besides that, I have William. He already finished 31 questions. So if you have a question on the equation, you can ask William. Alright, so that's it. See you on the next video and see all of you in person on Monday. Bye, guys.